Introducing HAWKEYE. Whether you are new to the trading game or an intermediate or advanced trader, HAWKEYE can help you to develop and utilize extraordinary vision to build wealth in your markets of choice, using whatever tools you prefer. Just like its namesake avian hunter, Auvoria Prime's HAWKEYE can help you to spot and snare the most prized treasures from afar. 5 education opportunities every week put you on track to excel as a day trader in Forex, futures, indices, gold, and/or cryptos, so you can make the most of each of your investments. Our HAWKEYE educators have the solid and varied backgrounds that prepared them for their decades of successful trading. And Al Mittman, Brian White, Yves Ragona, and Pierre Tillis are ready and eager to share their expertise with you. As you learn from these experts, you will develop the perception, accountability, efficiency, and emotional control that will enhance your trading profile to bring greater financial returns. With HAWKEYE, you get help without hype and sharing without selling. We offer no guarantees, but plenty of opportunity to build your wealth and achieve the lifestyle you want. Go to AP Live today and check out HAWKEYE. You'll be glad you did.